Yo, what's up guys? Tired of the same old boring tech? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into a world of men-only gadgets. We're talking next-level inventions she doesn't even know exist. From secret tools to upgrade your man cave, to everyday tech that'll make you say, how did I live without this? Get ready to be amazed, and maybe a little scared of how awesome these are. Let's go! Hey guys, let's talk about shaving, because who loves a sink full of whiskers, right? Not me. Introducing the Razor Rinser. This little lifesaver uses a tiny bit of water. We're talking 118 milliliters to get your blades sparkling clean. No more messy tap rinsing, no more wasted water. And the best part? It works with any cartridge razor. These geniuses even launched it on Kickstarter, starting at just $26. Go check it out. Okay guys, get ready for the future of cooking. Because it's here! Ever wished your meat thermometer had Bluetooth? No? Well, you will now. The TempSpike 500 feet is about to rock your culinary world. This bad boy pairs with your smartphone to give you perfect grilling, smoking, roasting. You name it. It comes with 2 probes. One for temps up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, and another that goes all the way to 572. And yes, it uses Bluetooth 5.2 for lightning-fast updates. All this for $80? Dinner just got a whole lot more interesting. Okay guys, check out this tiny but mighty multi-tool. It's called the ToolCard Pro. And get this, it's the size of a credit card. But don't let that fool you, because this little guy packs a whopping 40 functions. We're talking nail puller, wrenches, rulers, wire cutters, screwdrivers, even a bottle opener for those post-DIY celebrations. Seriously, it'll take you a while to discover everything it can do. Plus, it comes with a detachable clip for your cash and cards. All this for $33, made from 420 stainless steel. I think I want one right away. All right, gents, ever need to drill something tiny, like really, really tiny? Meet the Wow Stick, the most adorable drill you've ever seen. This little guy charges via USB Type-C because even drills are high-tech now. And it's perfect for those precision projects. Cardboard, plastic, even aluminum, the Wow Stick laughs in the face of tough materials. It spins at up to 400 RPM and comes with 8 hardened steel drill bits ranging from 0.8 to 2.2 millimeters. A 40-minute charge gives you 2 hours of drilling power. Plus, it's shaped like a pen with a comfy grip. All this for $52? Time to get crafty? Calling all hunters? Tired of smelling like, well, a human? The scent blender is about to make you the ultimate stealthy predator. This isn't your average cover scent spray, guys. This bad boy lets you create a custom blend using stuff you find right on your hunting ground. Acorns? Check. Creek water? Why not? Leaves, dirt, whatever nature throws your way. Toss it in, mix it up, and boom. You've got 350 milliliters of pure camouflage in about a minute. $89 to smell like you don't exist? Worth it. Ahoy, fish fanatics! Have you met the tiny wizard called Deeper Start? It's like having X-ray goggles for water. Imagine owning a magical eyeball that can peek 50 meters under the surface. This featherlight gizmo, weighing just 65 grams, will have you speaking fish in no time. It'll whisper in your ear where the big ones are hiding and how chunky they are. And talk about a patient pal. It keeps working for 6 whole hours without a break. For just $144, you'll become the superhero of fishing. Isn't this watery adventure worth every penny? Hey there, fashion superheroes! Are you in a constant battle with traditional ties? Fear not, for the rescuer has arrived, the Super Tie. Forget those complicated knots that make you look like you're trying to crack a secret code. This magical tie sticks to your shirt button like a magnetic kiss, made from fancy silk that'll make you feel like you're wearing a cloud. It's a multi-talented piece, perfect for serious board meetings and funky cocktail parties alike. All this awesomeness for just $41. Don't you want to become the Superman of style for this fantastical price? Hey there, lovers of the weird and wonderful. Have you heard about the latest Japanese brainchild? It's Tightener, the genius gizmo that's part slide rule, part fidget toy. Imagine two magical rings spinning independently like dancers at a costume party. Roll it across the table and measure things like you're playing a video game. Each full rotation of the outer ring equals 10 centimeters, with a satisfying click that makes you feel like you've cracked a secret safe. It's a fun way to measure that turns math into a birthday party, and all this fun for just $53. Don't you want to become the jolly geniuses of measurement? Hey there, cooking enthusiasts and kitchen heroes! Want knives as sharp as lasers? Meet Vidome, the electric wizard for knives. It turns your lazy blades into super weapons with 3 magical stages. Even ceramic knives will sing with joy. And thanks to its German motor, it works with Swiss watch precision. Imagine a 15-degree sharpening angle that makes your fillet knife feel like it's at a spa. The spring guides run through the blade's length like they're giving it a massage. And as if that's not enough, there's a magnet that catches steel particles like it's butterfly hunting. All this magic and creativity can be yours for just $90. Don't you want to become the super knife masters in your kitchen? Attention, owners of thick and long beards. Tired of your rebellious facial hair? Meet Barbosa, the Parisian wizard for beards. It's a comb and flat iron in one, like a magic wand for stylish men. Imagine combing your beard while heating it up at the same time. Set the temperature between 170 and 210 degrees Celsius, like you're setting up a jacuzzi for your beard. Add a bit of balm and watch your beard transform into shiny silk in just minutes. This masterpiece was created in Paris, the world's fashion capital. It's like giving your beard a touch of Parisian magic. And all this beauty and creativity can be yours for just $49 on Indiegogo. Don't you want to become the kings of shiny beards in your city? Well, fellas, that's a wrap on our manly gadget extravaganza. Feeling like Tony Stark yet? Remember, with great power comes great responsibility to show off these cool toys to your buddies. Drop a comment telling us which gizmo you're adding to your Christmas list. Don't forget to smash that like button harder than Thor's hammer.